Entering with a strict stop loss and mindset. You must have a trading plan in place and trade according to that plan only. Once you have entered that trade, you will not change your stop loss unless it is trailing. Build your trading confidence. Start building your strong foundation. It might take some time for you, but you will win if you start with strong foundation. Changing your stop loss shows lack of decision making, which can work against your trading psychology. Follow that. Have a proper setup for trading. Trading small or big, have a proper trading setup. And when I talk about have a proper trading setup, I mean only basic things also can work. A simple chair and table can also do that. At some permanent location, which can give a big lead to your professional trader inside you. Sitting on a sofa or lying on the bed, trading while traveling will not help you in long run. Treat trading as a business and behave like a professional. You will be surprised how your trading will improve with such simple steps. This I do. I am not saying you should also follow this, but when we talk about trading, it is all about focus. In some isolated, quiet place, especially sitting towards south or southwest zone, can increase your focus, and it is good for trading also when you have increased focus.